Yes, this is D. Srinivasa in front of you. Today we are going to extension of geometry basics points. I am going to discuss today. Such a more beautiful topics are there. Now let us go and discuss it. See here. Here in our geometry extension part of geometry, here one beautiful topics are I have written here. That is intersecting lines, parallel lines, collinear points, non-collinear points, coplanar lines and coplanar points. Today we are going to discuss very detailedly. First of all, before going to explain the intersecting lines, what is mean to by intersect? What is the mean to by intersect? Simple, we can say that intersect means to meet. Intersect means to meet at a point. To meet. So here you see one example. I am drawing on the board. Here L comma M are two lines. These two lines are to meet, to intersect at a point here O. At a point O, then we can consider it. It is known as intersecting point. It is known as intersecting point. This point is called intersecting point. Such lines are called these L comma M are called intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Yeah. Intersect means to meet. Two lines are meet, intersect at a common point. That point is called intersecting point. Such lines are called intersecting lines. Yeah. Intersecting lines have a one common point is unique. One only. Intersecting lines forms a intersecting planes. Now, by this definition, we have to derive parallel lines. What is the meaning of parallel lines? Simple, we can say that two lines are never meet at a point. These two lines are never meet at any point. These such lines are called parallel lines. Daily life example of intersecting lines. So many windows, you see windows grills, best example. And better example of parallel lines in our daily train track. This is the example of parallel lines. Yeah, parallel lines, you see one example. I am drawing on the diagram on the board. You see this is a parallel lines. So this is L comma M. Here M is two lines are, these two lines are never meet. So that is the reason L comma M are called parallel lines. L comma M are parallel lines. It is denoted by L is parallel to M. L is parallel to M. Okay. So here one important point, you got it now. You get it now. Two parallel lines does not have any common point, but two intersecting lines have a one common point. Right? In a plane, two lines are intersected perpendicularly in coordinate geometry. We should get four quadrants. In a plane, here one is xx dash axis, one yy dash axis. These two are coordinate axes to meet at a common point at origin. In a plane will be divided into four equal quadrants. Here quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. This concept will be we have to discuss in coordinate geometry. Intersecting lines forms a four quadrants, four equal quadrants, but such intersecting lines are intersected in perpendicularly, then only it will be formed. Now we are going to discuss parallel. Parallel lines does not have any intersecting point, means it never meet, like an example of train track. Now parallel lines are denoted by L is parallel to M, right? Next, collinear points. Next I am going to discuss collinear points. Collinear points means, you see such one example. I have a one point. Along this point, how many lines we can draw? 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this, infinite number of lines can passes through this point. Infinite number of lines can passes through this point. Now see, 1 point, 1 point. I have to take 2 points in the plane. Then I have to draw how many lines can possible to passes here? Only one line only. Yeah, one line can passes through these 2 points. Okay. For suppose I have to take 3 points here, here, here. Name of the points such like you can take it ABC. Along these 3 points, how many lines can passes through? How many possibilities are there? Yeah, only one possibility is there. Thus, such points are called collinear points. These 2 points are belongs to line segment. 3 points are lie on a straight line. Such points are called collinear points. From the diagram, we should derive definition of collinear points. If 3 or more than points lie on a single straight line, such points are called collinear points. Collinear points should be formed in a single straight line. Its area should be 0. Area of 3 collinear vertices in a triangle. Area of collinear points in a triangle should be 0. Remember. Next, non-collinear points. Non-collinear points means they never lie on a single straight line. Means it should be represented somewhere it is. Here A, B, C. 3 points are in a single order, straight order. We should draw one straight line. But these 3 points are not in a straight order. How many lines can pass through it? Here, there is no any line can pass through it. These points are lie in a plane. For suppose these 3 points are lie in a plane, such points are called collinear points. Sorry, coplanar points. Coplanar points. 3 points are lie in a single straight line. Such points are called collinear points. Non-collinear points does not lie on a single straight line. Then it is called non-collinear points. Non-collinear points can form a different type of polygons. Different type of polygons. As well as non-collinear points forms in a plane. Such points are called coplanar points. Coplanar points. Non-collinear points forms in a plane. Such points are called coplanar points and coplanar lines. 2 or more than 2 lines. For example, in a plane, 2 lines are formed in a plane. 2 lines are formed in a plane. Such lines are called like coplanar lines. Coplanar lines. Okay. 3 or more than points are lie in a plane. Such points are called coplanar points. Such lines are called coplanar lines. So, dear viewers, you remember here one important point I am going to recap it. Collinear points are lie in a single straight line. Right? Lie in a single straight line. Coplanar points are or coplanar lines are lie in a plane. Lie in a plane. Area of the collinear points in a triangle 0. Area of the collinear points in a triangle is 0. Okay, and just you have to recap 5 seconds about our topic. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines to meet at a point. 2 lines are meet at a point. Such points are called intersecting point. Such lines are called intersecting lines. Parallel lines. 2 lines are never meet. For example, these 2 lines are never meet at any point. Such lines are called parallel lines. So, parallel lines does not have any common point. Next, collinear point. If we have to take 1, 2, 3, more than 3 points, it is in a straight line. It is lie on a straight line. Such points are called collinear points. Now, remaining points means some other points are not in a order. It is in different order. Such points are called non-collinear points. That non-collinear points can form in a plane. Then A comma B comma C more than 3 points are called coplanar points. Here some lines are formed in a plane. Such lines also called like coplanar lines. Coplanar lines. In our 9th class, 10th class geometry, you remember one note, area of collinear points in a triangle should be 0. So, I hope that you have to understand these 5 topics very clearly, and don't forget me, please subscribe my channel. Please share and subscribe my channel to encourage it. Thank you very much.